Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Bitcoin, you can see that today or lately, it's doing something, isn't it? It's just making us lose patience. It's stretching. Not sure what you want to do. Well, we have things we can look for though. We have this, only two touching point, but uptrend. So let's see if it's going to react at that level. So this is somewhere, yeah, I guess beginning of June, yeah, Bitcoin has to do something. I did heard something about, I think, Bitcoin, Naira. The longest time it took a pause in a bull market for a correction was, I think, 120 days. So that's going to bring us about end of June or mid-June or something like that. I think it was end of June. So yeah, we could see like a very long and exhausting fourth wave, because once again we're not sure that this fourth wave is finished. Actually, let me drag it out here. Okay, so there's still the possibility that this was just an A, we just did the B, and we're going to do this C. So once again, if I take the length of the wave A and add it to the wave B, 1-to-1 ratio 65,000, and if I do the fib retracement of this third wave, I mean, yeah, it's like we didn't even reach the 66. Did we do lower? No, because that was the fifth one, so we didn't even technically reach the 0.5 fib retracement, and we do have the MA 50 a little bit lower than 65k. And where is my, yeah, here we go. And we do have the MA 200 about 54,000. But and if we ever do a bigger pullback, and I think I did mention yesterday, didn't want to do that. Put the bigger screen now. We still do have that possibility that, let me see if I can get out this one. Still have that possibility that this was just a and this is the B, and then we are going to do and make the C. Let me see if I can do it actually, and let's see what I think I already did it before. And once again, it wouldn't be nothing crazy because we can go up to 52,000 and we're okay. And then once again, the MA 200, it's a 54, and actually higher because by the time we go there. So what did I want to do now? Yeah, let's just for fun calculate. So this is the top of the third wave. So if we say that all this is wave A, so it's exactly there, and this is the top of the wave B. Let's bring the wave C. Okay, so maybe I'm going to take it out free. Okay, so these are the levels that we can see, and yeah, watch for reaction. So the 0.618 at 61,351, then we have the 0.782 at 58, let's say round it up to 500, and we have the 54,793. So this is the eventuality that all this is the wave A, this was the wave B, and ideally here is going to end up the wave C. Now I'm going to take it out because I don't want to make it too messy, because I do have pretty much heavy duty full loaded chart. Actually, let me maybe take out, anyway, it's okay. Maybe this one I can take out. Okay, so this is for Bitcoin. Let's go and check Ethereum now. Okay, so Ethereum, you can see that now. Well, first of all, it's positive because we're not getting rejected big time and drop it. So we are trying again and again and again. I put some trends here. Once again, very weak ones because only a few touching points. But actually, let's see if we actually follow that path. And then if we do, then we're going to go and challenge this higher wave, or third wave, right? And that would be amazing, honestly. If we can even go a little bit higher, that would be yeah, amazing once again. And I am expecting, because of this crazy impulsive movement, now today I don't have time to make a deeper video, but we could start to say maybe, this was a wave 1 and maybe we're working on a wave 2, so it wouldn't be crazy if we do the micro counting of this wave. Could we say, let me see here, that this was a wave 1, this was the wave 2, this is the third, and then all this is the fourth, so this could be a B. So we shouldn't be surprised if eventually price gets rejected and we make a lower low, local lower low, because that would be just the 4, but then it's going to be a long one, and then we're going to do a top, like a last leg up. That's why I'm expecting another leg up. I'm going to try to check deeper on that scenario, but for the moment, it's pretty easy. I would say this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Actually, you know what, just to do it, just to have an idea if we're going on a good direction, let me just do the fib extension of this theory. Yeah, not sure at the end, doesn't look right. So we would have jumped right away to almost, yeah, the 2.618, right? And so if that is the case, I don't even remember what is this fib retracement here, because we said this is wave 1, wave 2, and I think I had another reading that maybe was a 1, 2, and this is the another 1, 2, and all this was the third one. I think I prefer this reading here. Not that it does matter really, but it allow the price to go a little bit lower. I'm going to figure it out more well later when I have more time and go back on you on that. So yeah, just quick review now because I don't want to make too much long video. Once again, I already did the TIA, was more than 20 minutes. Okay, so this was wave 4. I was saying that wouldn't be impossible. We do have another leg down here. Well, for sure, we all don't want that, and we just want ADA to finally skyrocket. But that's another possibility. I'm going to put it more on the right side, so not that important for the moment. But I mean, I would be amazed if Cardano can surprise me, if he can respect this uptrend line and don't go below. You can see now it's really fighting the MA50 to regain that level, so good for him or it. And then yeah, it's a matter of time now. We should see if the next move of Cardano. Agix, actually Agix and Fetch not doing exceptionally great. messy chart, so we will see with that. Now, I know that some people are getting really excited, but yeah, once again, A, B, C for the wave 1, and now this is a 2, and now what? Like, do we have another 1, 2? Or we have another A, B, C for another 1? I don't know. Honestly, it's unclear. Once again, if at least we can hold the trend, see, now I'm downgrading. I'm not asking too much, just holding the uptrend and making higher high. It's going to help us a little bit, but we're still, everybody's waiting for the alt season, right? Patch pretty much, I think, the same. I guess I need to adjust this trend, and this is why a lot of time trends are not that, I mean, it's okay, but not perfect science, right? This, I don't even remember what was it. Yeah, because this another, is that another 1, 2? So same here, A, B, C for the wave 1, this is wave 2, and then what? We have another A, B, C for the wave 1. See, it's all the same. Honestly, it starts to be a little bit of a stretch, so let's see. Arbitrum, I did tell you I'm struggling to attempt maybe to go in. I'm going to wait way up because I don't want to get cut with Arbitrum. I did tell you already lost a trade here. It wasn't a winning one, so I was worrying and make sure that I'm not trying to do deep down a revenge trading. So I could say ABC for wave 1, wave 2, this wave 3, it reached the 2x. Wave 4, it's holding. Let me move that around so maybe we have a clearer view. Yeah, so then we need to have a 5-way up, and then so if I do that, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and after that bigger pullback, and then that's it. All right, so I'm running out of time, guys. Here it's working perfectly. I did tell you yesterday I was expecting wave A to go near here. Are we already doing the wave B? It could be, yeah, very possible. So let's see if we do it. And actually, yeah, I'm going to check the comments. Someone asked me, where was it? Yeah, so it's Elliot. He said, since we knew a correction was coming, couldn't we have short Lido for this folding wave 2? Yeah, actually you can, but just me, I don't feel comfortable to bet against the trend of the stock or the crypto. So I'd rather take my chances and wait for this pullback. And then when I find it's the pullback is completed, then I scale back in, because let's remember, what's the next target for Lido, right? So if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, the wave 3, I mean, actually let me do it now. Okay, so now this, once again, it's a projection. We don't know where it's going to end up, right? But let's see, just stop here at DMA 50. Well, I'd rather wait and let pass this correction and be part of this uptrend, because I find to me, it makes more sense like that. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.